What did he say?
He said, "What books did you bring?"
So, I got red, blue hat, green hat. That's not my bunny. What did he say?
He said, "That sounds really cool. Read it to me."
Okay.
Please.
Okay. That's not my book. What did he say?
He said, "Keep going."
Okay. What? That's not my bunny. It's. What did he say?
He said, "Whose bunny is it?"
It's too fluffy. That's not my bunny. Its paws are too rough. What did he say?
He said, "Whose bunny is it?"
No one's. Just a normal bunny. What did he say?
He said, "Oh, okay."
That's not my bunny. Its tail is too woolly. What did he say?
He said, "I don't understand. Whose bunny is it?"
So, at the end, Gary, at the end, there's gonna be, that's my bunny. What did he say? What did he say, Dad?
He said, "This is an interesting book."
So, what did he say?
He said, "Keep going."
That's not my bunny. Its eyes are too shiny. What did he say?
He said, "Oh, shiny eyes."
That's not his bunny. That's not my bunny. Its nose is too wrinkled. What did he say?
He said, "A wrinkly nose. Whose bunny is this?"
No one. That's my bunny. His ears are soft. What did he say?
He said, "Oh, I'm glad you found your bunny."
Whoa, you're silly. Gary, you're a silly one. What did he say?
He said, "I like you."
Now let's read red hat, blue hat, green hat. You love this story, Gary? What did he say?
He said, "I can't wait to hear this one."
Whoa. Blue hat, green hat, red hat, oops. What did he say?
He said, "That's a lot of hats." Oh, he said he wants to wear a hat.
like a BYU hat?
Yeah.
What did he say?
He said he likes BYU. He wants to go there when he grows up.
Oh, yeah. Whoa.
They have a robotics department.
Yeah. They have a robotics department that you can go to. That all robots are stored. Red shirt. What did he say?
He said, "That sounds super cool."
So, maybe we can design you with more designs we can make you with. What did he say?
He said he's looking forward to it. He wants to get better.
Well, Gary, we can do that in a couple more days. What did he say?
He said, "Awesome."
Red shirt, blue shirt, yellow shirt. Oops. What did he say?
He said, "This is a funny book."
It's red shirt. It's blue shirt, green shirt. Yellow pants, red pants, green pants. Oops. What did he say?
He said, "That's funny."
Blue coat, oops. Red socks, oops. Green shoes, yellow shoes, blue shoes, oops. Yellow hat, green shirt, blue pants, purple socks, red shoes. Oops. He jumped into the pool without his swimming suit on. What did he say?
He said, "This book is too crazy."
Want to read another one that is about sea animals? Jerry? What did he say?
He said he likes sea animals, but he doesn't like to get wet.
But this is another sea. This is a different sea animal book. What did he say?
He said, "Okay, go get it."
Well, it's a different one.